Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. It's easy to think of AI tools like ChatGPT and Google's Bard as just a way to help with writing. But actually, there are lots of ways you can use them to give your business an advantage. Use an AI tool that can browse the web. Bard is connected by default. For ChatGPT, you must be a Plus subscriber and have web browsing switched on. AI can research and analyze data. Imagine being able to predict market trends before they happen. AI can spot patterns and try to guess what could happen next. It can also help summarize complex events for you. Ask it to explain something to a 12-year-old. That's a clever way to get a summary anyone can understand. AI can also help with productivity. Getting more done isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Tell your AI about your working environment and ask it to suggest ways to save time. We're full of productivity-boosting advice like this. If you want more, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.